Hey everybody, welcome back to another live stream where we're working on Project Hero, an adventure game we're working on from scratch using Unreal Engine 4, C++, blueprints, and the gameplay ability system. At some point, we haven't been working with the gameplay ability system plugin in a while, but we'll get back to it shortly, I am sure. So what we've been working on for the last couple of live streams is converting the stylized weather system blueprint. Converting that we got from the marketplace, working to get it to C++. Oh my god, did we complete that challenge? I hope not. Fuck you, Sandra. Why do you want somebody's story time? Curse you. I think we got it though, right? You contributed 9,000 to the total. I think we got it, so I assume we're there. So I'll save it for next time. Maybe at the end of the stream I'll talk about something. But we're slowly working on... Oh, not yet. It's 10k. Thank God. Okay. Probably by the end of the stream you'll get it. So yeah, like this is the C++ version, and let me just replace it. So it looks almost identical. So that's good, right? So the fact that it looks identical is a good sign. Like the only real difference is that the sun is correct and it rotates correctly. Yes, I will come up with a story for next time. I promise you this. So the problem we're having is, like, as you can see, there's the moon, like right in the center of the screen. So it needs to be the sun first off, and it needs to be in the sky. So we're running into a couple problems there. But some of the issues that we started off originally, I was able to solve off stream. So I just want to kind of tell you what I did to fix some stuff. And I also want to tell you what the problems were. So the problem was, yeah, we'll have a separate baby moon that you can discover. It'll be like a secret side quest. So the problem we were having, it might be easier for me to explain if I also have the original one open. So let me open that. Like, we still have a problem, as we know, but the original issue we were running into, the reason why like the sky looked kind of fucked up originally, is because some of the information I was trying to do through the C++ constructor was not possible. Like, I was trying to do this logic right here, but the sky sphere, the get local bounds that you're seeing, sorry about that. So the get local bounds function, like, it relies on get static mesh from this component. And when you try to get that mesh in the actual C++ default constructor, that mesh is not going to be valid, even if you set it into the blueprint. It's just not able to get that information through this constructor. So what exists in C++ is this onConstruction. And onConstruction, it's in the actor class, and I can kind of... Let me go to that real quick. So we have this thing on construction, and it gives us a transform if we want to transform. We don't need one, but so basically this on construction function, that rhymes, works as the C++ equivalent to the construction script of the blueprint. So let me get rid of this. We don't need this. And let me open up the original. So this construction script that we have, this is the problem we are facing. The get local bounds was failing in the C++ side, because even though we had SkySphere set up with this like SkySphere mesh, we weren't able to read that data in the actual C++ default constructor. But we can use the onConstruction function that we have to get that information. So that's where we are right now. And where I suspect the remaining of our problem is is in the rotate sun function. Somehow we're doing this math incorrectly. So I gotta look at what the original was doing. So that's gonna be on my separate screen, so ignore that. So there is the rotation function, and this is what the rotation function is doing. And I am printing stuff I don't think I really want to be printing for right now. So both, I think the rotation, basically all this information I think I got wrong on my side. So I guess what we can do, first let's worry about the location, because the location is the first problem. So this is where they're setting the sun billboard location. So I believe my location is not at all close to what they're supposed to be doing. So I just want to quickly print out what they're supposed to be doing. So this one's mine. So let me just throw in theirs. And it should be updating everything. How's it going, Tape Drive Games? How you doing? Thanks for stopping by. Feel free to ask any questions or ask what I'm doing or even try to help. If you find something that I'm doing wrong or if I'm having any struggles, just point it out. We'll figure it out together. So let's go ahead. Let's print. All right. So it's really far numbers. Let me get a snippet. All right, so these are relatively the numbers that we're working with. You can't really see that too well, but it's a pretty big number. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's put mine in. And then let's go into C++. And we gotta print out the location and see if it's at all. Also, let's get rid of any other UE logs. Excuse me. Alright, so we don't need... We'll keep this one. No, we don't need this one. We're good there. So we're good there. What's the next one? Sphere size. Okay, so we're gonna keep this one, but we're gonna change it to actually be the location that we want. I should really have kept that blueprint open. Let's open that back up. That one's mine, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. So it has camera location does affect it, which is nice. Let's see. So what are we printing? We have this combined rotators. We're getting the rotation X vector. Then we're multiplying it and then adding that size. So I guess I want to do some logic here. So F vector temp. Oh, what did I press? Oh my god. I'm gonna say temp position equals, and we're gonna do this vector math. So some position is equal. So the sum position I'm doing right here, this convert rotator to vector, is this end result. I'm working on something like that. It's a weather system that I bought from the marketplace. It's already a working blueprint that I bought, and I'm just to learn C++. I'm converting it to code, and I'm just trying to fix it up. It already took a bunch of streams to get this far, but we're almost done. I'm hoping to get it done tonight. So what we gotta do is, so we got its sun position times, and then it's some more math. So sphere size times believe just 0.5. And then it's times -1. And then plus this camera location. And I just gotta move this here. I can comment out that billboard thing. So I'm hoping what prints is the correct location. So it's on location. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. Nope. Okay. What happened? All right, so. Oh. Is there a 2-string? Because yeah, it's a vector, not a float. Well, I'm also wrong again. It's gonna fail. Hold on. Moving too far. So this needs to be a string. Then does it have to be like that? Because if I'm wrong still, I'm gonna look it up. I'm wrong still. Okay. Let's see. UE4 C++ log vector. All right, we got a Reddit post we can look at. Yeah, okay. If it's a T-string, I'll have to dereference it. Okay. Because I always suck with these things. So like I know it's either the @ symbol or like this like sign asterisk. So we'll see if that's what it is. Yeah. Thanks for the heads up. I always know it's one or the other, and I always forget. So let's see if this prints anything close to what we were seeing before with the default one. So again, these are the values we were seeing. It's like 236,000 in the X. Okay, so we are getting a large number, but I don't think that's right. So let's look at the log. All right, so we're definitely getting different numbers. Like they're not even that close. So we're gonna have to break this down even more. So let's break it down per variable. It's gonna be annoying, but this is the only way I know. Like I really like the keyboard that I have. It's a Chroma keyboard, I guess is what it's called. It's kind of expensive. It's like 100 euros. It's a Razer Ornata V2, and it's shiny and it glows. So if that's what you're into, I would recommend it. All right, so let's break this down further. So let's do the rotation X vector. Let's see what happens when I print this out. All right. So those are the values that we're getting. So now let's get mine. I wonder if I can just literally... like on tick. No, I can't. I gotta do it in C++. Okay, so we're gonna print out the rotation and see if we get something relatively similar. Yeah, I kind of went hardcore. Like, you can customize how it blinks and stuff like that. I think it's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna forget about the F vector. We're gonna comment it out just in case we need it. So basically, we want to do sun position. That should be the value that we want. So let's see if we get anything close to what we were seeing before. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I know I can do it. Like, I'm doing it in the event that's, or function that's getting called on a timeline. It should give me the same data. So let's see what this gives me. Okay, so it's definitely giving me wrong values here. Like, yeah. Okay, so that's wrong. Hooray. Let's keep going. Let's see where we're getting wrong information. So rotation setting, is that, what is my, I always think my rotation setting is wrong. Okay, so that's the same. Yeah, so we're rotating a directional light so that it follows. Like, basically what this blueprint is doing, it's doing the whole sun angle thing. It's getting all that information and rotating the directional light so that it matches with the sun, or at least it should. So are we setting sun rotation setting to anything? No. What should I try printing next? I guess we really have to kind of go slow, which sucks, but okay. So, all right, let's print out time. Let's just go hardcore and just slowly debug. All right, I don't want it printing out two different things. Let me get rid of this print string. Yes, I understand that, tape drive. Like, literally, like, the directional light, we're not moving at all. It's rotating. We're moving the billboard. And then I guess we're setting some parameter in this material collection parameter thing. I don't know. Like, I'm still trying to figure out what exactly everything does to work. Again, this isn't my blueprint. I bought it from the marketplace. I'm still trying to figure it out and learn more about it. So slowly getting there. So let's try that again. So it starts off at 0.5. Does it always start 0.5? Yes. Okay, let's see what mine does. Yeah, we just gotta print out the time. Slow and steady. We'll figure this out. So time, and this is a float, and then we should be okay. Okay, so we're looking to get the same value, 0.5. Because if that's not the same, then that's where our problem starts, I think. So again, this is the original one, starts out about 0.5. We get ours. So that's correct. It started out around 0.5. Yeah, see, so 0.5 all the way down. So we got that the same. So, okay, that's good. What's the next one? So I don't think anything's wrong with the rotation of the light on our side. But I mean, I guess it doesn't hurt to fucking print that. Let's see. So this is ours. That in. All right, so we're getting stuff around like that. So it looks like it starts out at like -60 and all that jazz. So let's see what's next. So I believe, oh, I always forget what I was doing. So I think we are, we were printing this value. So let me just copy that. Does this give me a rotator? Yeah, okay. So I guess I could say what? F rotator, temp rotation, or some shit like that. Do this the other way. Make it a string. I believe we could just do dereference it, temp rotation dot two, is it? Yeah, capital probably, toString. That should be kosher. Thanks for the hydrate, Sandra. Your boy's thirsty always. So we're looking to see, so pitch is -60 roughly. Yaw is about 15 going, or 13 going on to 15, something like that. So let's see if we get anything like that. Yeah, that looks about right. Like, I don't know where it is exactly, but those numbers seem right. So we're good there. Yay. So as I suspected, that is all fine. So what should we see next? All right, let's print. With this other combined rotator. Because this is probably where, this has to be where it starts to be wrong. So it's like, it starts at -6, so it's pretty much like the same value. So, I guess I should do this one. So maybe like the get rotation X vector is not the right one that I'm getting. Because, yeah, 0.50, 0.864, something like that. Let me just get the value like that. Oh. So this is the rotation X vector. So we can get rid of that. I think we did this one earlier, but just to remind myself. Because then maybe the Kismet library thing is not the right one. But it says, like, get the X direction. So let's see. Yeah, so that's wrong. So that's definitely where the problem is lying. So this so get the X direction vector of this rotation. And this says get the X direction vector after this rotation. So, like, what is not correct? I gotta be doing something wrong that I'm just not seeing. Let me break this here. Yeah. Okay. Let me... that. Let's get mine. Let's put a breakpoint. Can I not breakpoint? Why is it not gonna let me breakpoint? Why do you do this to me? Oh, it's because it's different? Come on. Alright. I'll play your game. Try it again. Nice try. Nice try, C++. You can't fool me. So, all right. Oh, did the Visual Studio hear me talk shit just now? And this is just like, oh yeah, because the breakpoint's gonna get hit right now. Continue. Now, can I set it? Okay. Whoa. Why is the pitch so high? So that's sun angle. So that's right. Pitch is -60. Okay, so some reason sun rotation. Why is that 0? God, I'm so confused. I suck at this. So sun rotation is this. Let me open up the editor differently. Okay, let's see. So float rotation angle is this whole clamping that I'm doing. All right, so let me do something else here. The float current sun angle equals sun angle get float value time. And I'll do UE log temp warning text sun angle float value. Alright, sun angle. Let's just fucking be bitches about it and do everything slowly. So that's the sun angle. And then we'll say float clamped angle equals was it yeah, fmat clamp. I don't like how it's not giving me the not autocorrect, but the information that it wants to give me. Sun angle. No, current sun angle. Then what do I want to say? Angle clamp times -1. That's not the best way to write that. The angle clamp. And then we'll just copy that print statement. And we'll say clamped angle okay. So we basically got up to here. I guess because I'm using a clamped value. Maybe that's what the problem is. Let's just keep going. So next we're doing the rotator. So we don't need this. So F rotator is clamped angle So it's getting the up vector rotation setting, then what? Clamped angle? And then we gotta print that. To string. And then the directional sun set world rotation is the combined rotators of rotation setting and sun rotation. What else do I need to check? So I think that's all correct. It's just here is wrong. So the sun position is going to be so it's going to be the sun angle. And it's this. But instead of clamped angle, it's current sun angle. We'll say, nope. I say something like that. Let's fucking see. I don't know. Fingers crossed. And I guess we can compare a bunch of stuff. Alright, so we know it's not, I don't think it's just correct because we still have the moon. But let's look. Like, what is this supposed to be, I wonder? So again, oops. Clear that. Play this for a little bit. Oh yeah, I didn't change the name. So this is gonna be what? Let me just say on rotation. Just so I can read this correctly. God, debugging this is such a pain in the ass. Thought we were gonna get far today. I've never been so wrong in my entire life. Alright. Alright, so we got some information. Let me just copy that into a thing. So we have some values. So everything starts off with 0 except for sun location. So the first thing we're printing out is sun angle float value. And the sun angle float value is what? The value that we're getting from this sun angle. Oops, I did not mean to do that. So let's put in the stylized sun. Let's see what it prints out. Alright, what else is it printing? Okay, I don't want you printing anything else but this clamped value. Okay. Okay, is the debug on? I don't want the debug on. I don't know what update param means. So print a log, text color. I don't think that makes any kind of sense. What else is there printing? Is there any other print string? Okay, these are the debugs, and then... Alright, I'm just gonna disconnect that. Let's see if it's printing more stuff down here. It's like it's slowly climbing from 0 onward. And that's what it looks like ours is doing. Yeah. So that seems okay. So the next thing, what's the next thing we're doing? You put that back in, fuck it. So in code, the next thing is the clamped angle. So this. So that looks to also be climbing from 0 to 1. All right, so it should be matching exactly the other one. That's what I see here. So that's fine, that all matches. So the next thing I'm printing is the sun rotation value. So it's the rotator from axis and angle. So I'm printing that. So for mine, it starts at 0 and then like some pretty low numbers. Then it eventually climbs really in the Y. So let's see what it says. Okay, so it slowly climbs, but what does it start at? Alright, it seems like they all start at 0, 0, 0. And Y climbs up the fastest, roll is going negative, pitch is going pretty slow. So we put mine in. And we'll see. I mean, that looks right. It's just like my sun location is just fucking dumb. So that looks all fine. Now, sun location. Right here. So it converts the rotator to vector of this information. Like, I don't know if this is all just wrong, but that's what I'm trying to print. So this one, let's print it. Yeah, it starts at 0.5 on the X. And the Y seems like it's moving all well and dandy. So 0.5 on the X, right? Yeah, see? That's wrong for me. So why? Why? Let's see, let's do F rotator temp rotation equals so it's the composed rotators of rotation setting and I'm trying Wumbo, but Wumbo ain't working, dude. I don't know what's wrong. I gotta do that. Oh boy. Oops. So that's the temp rotation. All right, I'm gonna take out, well, I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna take it out. We don't need these print strings, or these logs, whatever you want to call them. And we're gonna do temp rotation. Do that into their blueprint. Let's close out and let's try to recompile. Hold on, let me cancel that. I don't want sun position right now. Okay. Fingers crossed. Something, maybe we'll get something we can understand. Oh, my knuckles. So this is mine. But let's get this one first. So here we're printing out the combined rotators, right? Yeah, it's like, so it goes from -60 down in the pitch. What does ours do? So ours is doing that correctly. So it's going down from -60. Then this one goes from 0. So the yaw goes from 0 onwards, upwards. So does that what ours does? Oh shit. Oh no. Continue. Ah, shit. Don't save. There we go. So let's try that again. So does ours go from 0 up? Yes. Okay. And then last one, it goes from 0 down. And I believe that's what ours was doing. Yeah. So that's correct. So really, it's this rotation that vector that's fucking up. Or this, get rotation x vector. This is printing 0.5 on the x, and we're gonna have to get out of there. So temp rotation seems to be correct. So what do we gotta do? Okay, this all just has to be temp rotation. Then we can print sun position. We're gonna figure this out. Nobody panic. We're okay. Okay, so this is the default one. So 0.5 in the X. I keep doing the tree. Okay, now ours is 0.5. But why is it still like right there? And the Y is slowly going up. All right, so that looks like it matches. But I don't see this, like the moon's still literally right there. Okay, because we're not setting it yet. Okay, okay, hold on. You might be done. We might be done. We might have it. Don't know yet. Okay. Is this ours? No. Damn it. Alright, like, I'm not butthurt that the moon's right there, but let's see. Oh, fuck. No. Alright, so it's like, it's there, but it's not the sun. It's the moon. But it looks to be in the right position, but it's the moon. So we're almost there. Hold up. Oh, let me get this fucking... So why is it the moon? Okay, so we're getting that location correct. Okay, so we're actually not doing, we're doing something not right. So this is the rotation, this is all the math. So sun position is that. So then we just gotta say, so then we gotta do temp position. Or can we? Okay, so that's just all irrelevant. Hold on. So sun position is that times sphere size times. Okay. Okay, so that looks good. So where are we setting whether if the sun's there or not? It's like, all right, so it's under set sun param. So we're good, I think, on the rotate sun. It's on set sun param. I think. So I don't think I'm setting, I don't think I'm setting the element correctly now. So it's, whoops. So this is mine. Oh, it's not up to date. Hold on. Let's see now. We're gonna see what values I'm pushing in. Oh yeah. We don't want to do it just yet. So that's mine. Hold on just a sec. Okay. Okay, we're doing all that shit. So downtime is 1.6. Time. Can you please tell me what that material is? Okay, so that's saying it's the moon. Why? So that check is just wrong. Whatever I'm doing there. So let's look at my logic. Compared to the blueprint. So time. So if time is less than or equal to downtime. All right, so I got that backwards. So that's a hashtag whoopsies. Hold on just a minute. All right, so the moon's still there, but maybe there's still hope when we actually play. Hold on, I just gotta check something, guys. Give me just a moment, sorry. All right. So let's play. I think the sun's there. No! Damn it! Play. Let's see what's wrong. All right, I'm still not understanding. So, I prematurely thought I was smart. Hold on, that's usually how it goes. So if this is true, so is time less than or equal to downtime, and is time greater than or equal to rise time? I believe it's true and false. That's how it's written. Let me just look it up again. Ugh. Um. Should be right. All I know is that this is not going how I want it to be. So, why? Let's break it down. So, can I do something like this? Time. And then downtime. And just be like time, downtime. Can I say that? So time has to be less than or equal to downtime. So time is greater. Interesting. Let me see what this one says. So time is 12, as you would expect. So downtime is 18 right now. So are we setting downtime anywhere? Yes. Okay. Oh boy. All right, so it's 18 for this guy. For me, it's not. I know that much. Blueprints. So initialize weather settings. Did I forget to do this part? No, I did. Let's see what we get. Am I getting it from the right value? Yeah, they're both doing sunrise. Alright, we gotta take this one slow. Yeah, I made Outriders. I was one of the hundreds of people that helped make Outriders. Oh yeah. Technical game designer? Yeah. Okay. So we gotta figure out why downtime is being stupid. I guess we got first. Let's log. Oh, I think I already see why. Can I do something like that? Let's try that. I'm not confident that that did anything, but we'll see what happens. Alright, it does not look promising, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, it's still saying 1.6. Where the hell is it getting 1.6? Oy vey. Okay. We're gonna say that sunrise, offset, get float value. We'll say log temp, morning, text. Oops. Boom. Yeah. You're right. We had it too good for too long. But that's showbiz for you. So I'm trying to see what the value at 0.75 is in the sunrise offset curve. Unless I'm not putting the curve in correctly, but we'll see. All right, so for me, okay. Where's that other UE log? Am I not calling this function? Because that would not make me happy. That would make me a sad panda. I think I am. Yeah, initialize weather struct. Right there. So it's 0.714 whatever. And then we'll do the same here. Downtime, fine. Set downtime. Yeah. Okay. So I'm getting a right value. Okay, can I say something like this? So float downtime curve value equals this. Then can I say so downtime curve value times or is it like whoops, oh my god. So it's got to be something like this. So 0.75 minus downtime curve value times 24 then I think I gotta do like double parentheses plus 18. Let's see what we get. Let's believe, because again we should be getting 18 point something. That is, I believe, the value. So let's see. Yeah, we are getting 18 something. Okay. Oops. So can I say piece to that? Do that and then uncomment this. And let's see. Okay, so now we should have a sun. Probably not, because we probably gotta do the same thing for the other one. Oh, we do got a sun. It's kind of small. That's what she said. So the base size is kind of small. It's 0.15. So what's up with that, I wonder? So if I do this... we stop that for a second. Try that again. Yeah, you and me think the same, Sandra. Okay. So it's picking the moon size for mine. So we're almost there, I think. So again, I was wrong here. And I want to be careful. Okay, I'm gonna say rise time curve value, and I believe it's 0.25. And it's gonna be +6. Rise time. It's gonna be 0.25. So I think that should be okay. Let me stand up, pull up my pants. Let's see. And oh my god. So I'm still curious why our sun is like why our moon and stuff is always kind of like placed in the center. Okay, at least now it's the sun in the center. That's good. And there we go. We got the sun. I think we got it. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens when it turns to nighttime. It's looking okay. Like, it's going into the afternoon. The cloud speed is kind of ridiculous right now, but whatever. I have to see why the thing is being like that, but whatever. Okay, and it's nighttime. There's the moon. I think we got it. I just want to see why why it's fucked up on the construction. You know what I mean? Like the sun should be positioned correctly by default. But we'll wait for nighttime to happen. All right. let's just see if the sun rises correctly. That's looking promising. Okay. Okay, so we got it working. No crashes, no nothing. Let's go back to our tasks. We still gotta do a couple things. So we did that. We'll check that off. See why sun moon is not set at right location in editor. Why do clouds move so fast? Okay, so those are the last two things that I kind of want to look at. Maybe we'll get them done today. I don't know. So let me look at the original. Let me play. So yeah, clouds are moving seemingly normal. Now, is there like a speed? So that's wind speed. Cloud, change cycle. Let's see in this blueprint where we're setting something like that. So it's gotta be something in this cloud. So find references. So that's the cloud material. So that's the blend. Let me see what these param names are. Because we're setting scalar values. Okay, are they not... Is this not being hit? Interesting. So that's next weather. This is interpolating. Let's see what this is doing. I just needed to... I guess I can look into the material though, if I really wanted to. Because it's cloud size. Sky colors, like, okay, so this has like a bunch of shit that I don't understand. Also, so cloud size, ratio, contrasts. What is controlling the speed though? Yeah, cloud fill. So this is the next big mystery that I don't understand. The clouds. Or is it because hour in seconds is 10 in this one, but in this one it's still 10. Okay. Okay, so they don't look like they're moving as fast. What if I change hour and seconds to like 100? Do they move slower? No. Is it anything in our data table that's calling that? So the default one is cloudy. The sunny one is what I want. I think it's sunny. Sunny. No? Okay. So it's Thunder Alphas and Alright, let's not worry about that. Let's worry about the... I would like it so that this billboard thing is located correctly by default. Like, there's the directional light up there. Let's lower the camera sensitivity. Jesus. So the sun billboard is located at 0, 0, 0. Now I'm moving it, whatever. So why oh why is it located at 0, 0? Is it because... Sorry about that. So is it because I can't do anything on the... Like, when does on construction get hit? Like, let me get mine. Does it get called when I replace it? Yes, it does. So boom, boom. So sphere size is 0. Interesting. Let's try that again. Probably got to wait. So again, looking at the original. Get actor scale 3D. So for this one, Yeah, we can't stop that. Let's print it. So the X scale is what? 1? 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. But ours, I guess, is not returning 1 correctly. Let's see. And that's why it's 0, 0, 0. Oh. Wow. Okay, that gets constructed immediately. Okay, hold on. Put that back. All right, boom. I'm gonna step into. So it returns the root component scale. So is my like root component scale fucked up? Okay. So my default scene root seems to be fucked up. Why is that? Does this have to be visible anywhere? Let's find out. This week on Dragon Ball Z. Sorry about that. We're so close. We're on the verge of greatness. Wow, it's really taking its time compiling this bad boy. That's cool. I changed the header 1 bit and then it's like, no, I'm gonna compile forever. That's fine. Oh, there we go. Almost, almost. So let's look now. See that still wrong. Okay, so what is going on? Let's see, UE4, BP scene root not showing scale. It's at the right C++. No, I'm doing something stupid, I'm sure. Alright, so it's saying I have to reparent it. Hold on, let me just see. I don't want to have to do that. Oh, that hurts. Alright, I'm gonna create a duplicate. Ugh. So I have to reparent it? Or can I refresh all nodes? No. Fuck! Alright, we're reparenting it. Save it. Now we're gonna have to set all these fucking variables back. It's gonna be such a pain in the ass. Alright, so now it's 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, now we're gonna have to set all these settings back. Oh. My heart. It hurts. Alright. We're gonna do this one last time. And unfortunately, we're gonna do this the hard way. So the Sky Sphere. Boom. Collision presets, no collision. Then override materials under the render. Okay. So that part's done. Now the exponential height fog. Let's do this. Fog density 0.03. Height fall off 0.001. Max 0.85. Cutoff distance on a ridiculous amount. Directional scattering 30. That's done. Directional light. So it's an atmosphere. And then we want light shaft bloom. The bloom scale they have is 0.02. We're gonna say the one I have is 0.01. We're gonna keep it 0.02. Actually, that seems like a lot. A lot. We'll do 0.05. That looks lovely. Skylight. We're gonna do yeah, cube map, and then gray light texture cube, and then intensity 1.5. Now cloud layer. So the static mesh is this one. No collision. Translucency sort priority. So all this stuff in rendering. So -98. And then there's an override material at my sky base. Cloud 2. Believe cloud layer 2 has the priority of -99. No collision, also the same. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. No collision. Then the static mesh, this one. Now we can do the override material. And my sky base. So we're getting there. So that's Cloud 01, priority 99, right? Override, no collision, good. Now the sun billboard, we can just copy. Paste all those elements, that looks to be right. And then the sort priority says -100. So that's all the default components. So now we gotta do all the fucking variables. Oh, alright. So hero weather system. So sphere size. Sphere size is default. World time is also default. Current hour is also 0. Yes. Current param and next param are empty. Yes, yes. Wind offset, current wind direction, all these ones should be 1 in the X. Wind speed 0.005, yeah. Sphere material, cloud material, and current things should be empty. Yes. Those are good. Time. In an hour, default is 12, it's fine. In a minute, it should be 0. 1 hour, seconds. 10, and then time material, we got copy. But this is still not making me happy. Oh yeah, I think I missed something. Exponential high fog is stationary. Skylight, stationary already. All those, everything else is movable. Okay. I'm gonna go through all this for nothing. So init weather cloudy is fine. Weather data is this weather system. Okay, so, whoops. Something went to shit, hold on. I think it's gonna stay that way. I hope it doesn't crash because the thing's in the level. Okay. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna take this out right now. And so weather data has to be this. Please don't crash. Why? Okay. Maybe we have to put in the curves first. Oh, what a life. Alright, let's do all the curves first and then put in weather data. So curves. So current sun color is that one. Next sun color is the same one. The skylight color. Same one. And I believe fog and the other one are empty, yes. Now, before that, so next weather. I should be able to just copy and paste. Next weather, same idea. Next weather buffer, I should say. Raffle should be empty. Weather change cycle should be 3. Wind change cycle 30. Yes. So we have all those curves. Now the sun. So sunrise, offset. Sun angle. The darkness. Hello, darkness. Angle clamp. 75. Rotation setting, I gotta fix. Before I forget, let's just fucking do that now. Just to give us some peace of mind. So, rotation setting. Okay, I can't. Fuck, I forgot what it was supposed to be. Oh, my memory is so bad. Oh well. So it's supposed to be -60 in which direction? Pitch. Okay. So that should be fixed. Oh. Hopefully we're almost done. The only reason why we're doing this is because I wanted to fix on the constructor the location of the sun, but that doesn't seem like it worked. But so we'll have to come back to that after we're done resetting all this nonsense. Alright, so we're on rotation setting. So we're good. Moon material. Sun material. Rise time is 6. Downtime 18. Sun size 0.5. Moon size 0.15. Base size is 1 and 1. 1 and 1. So the sprite element. Be sun visible. Alright. We have to make that true by default. Be sun visible. We just say equals true. Okay. And I also hope that the fucking editor doesn't crash when we put in the data table after all this is done. So I thought we fixed that problem. I don't understand why that's coming back, but... almost there. So sun. Be visible is true by default, good. Now our movement curves. So whether to, oh no. Oh no. We're okay, we're okay. So weather time, sun visible, wind direction, good. And that's it, except for weather. We just gotta get weather data. Let's see if it crashes now. Let me save and compile. Okay. Okay, so all that was worthless because the thing is still fucking here. Damn it. Curses and cranberries. Okay, why is the sun... Why is it at 0, 0, 0? Is it really because that actor value is like... Default team root is 1 now. But now, like at least the sun's in the sky, right? We have a subtle bloom. The sun's there, but why, in God's name, is it there at the beginning? Like we know it has to do with what does that have to do with the actor scale, right? So we put that in our scene. Oh, let's see. What do we get when we log temp? Whoops, log temp. Warning. Text. Say actor scale. And we'll have to do. Oh. That. And then can I get actor scale 3D? Like .2 string? Is that allowed? I don't know. Looks like it's allowed. We are getting 1. Okay. Interesting. Let's see what I get here. I should get one, but that's not what we're getting. So we'll have to see what's up. Because then I might have to log temp the sphere size. Yeah, I'm getting one. So that's all right. So let's try sphere size. But sphere size, it seems like it's just returning 0. I was gonna say actor scale because we didn't really write it. Yeah, see, well, that looks right. So, excuse me, why the fuck is this not being set correctly? Let's see what happens here. So I'm refreshing it. All right, so that never gets called. So on construction calls initialize weather settings. This does all that. All right, so we get here. So we're going in. Then we get here. Then set sun param. All right. So the camera's null. What can I do about that? Let me see what the blueprint thing does. The blueprint version, I should say. Might have to get one more stream. Unfortunately. So, camera manager. At breakpoint, bomb. Okay, yeah. I forgot you can't break point in the construction. Let's print a couple things. Okay, camera location. So 0, 0, 0. Okay. And then when I play, okay. I know what we must do. I just don't know if I have the strength to do it. Just kidding. So we could basically say something like this. F vector camera location equals camera. And what? Camera dot get camera location. Else F vector. I guess I could just do like 0. Take that out. Put that back in. And use this variable. So let's see. Okay. Let's put ours in and let's see. Oh, we got a breakpoint. Whoops. Ooh. Woo! Yes. All right. I think we did it. I think we're done. Seems to work. Let's just make let's set hour in seconds to like 1. Let's just see if the time goes by. Yeah. Do we get thunderstorms? Let's see. I'm kind of nervous because I don't see any thunderstorms. We might have to fix that. Okay. Upset. I'm upset. Let's look at the debug. So it says it's cloudy. Now it's sunny. Cloudy again. Says it's sunny, cloudy. Sunny, cloudy. Sunny, cloudy. Sunny, cloudy. sunny, cloudy, sunny, cloudy. Alright, so it's not going into thunderstorm, it seems. So we're not done yet, but we got a lot of it good. So if I put in the original, and let me just put the hour and seconds to 1, how we did before for our own. So yeah, let me get rid of the print strings that I don't need anymore. Don't need that. That was there. Don't need that. And the rest is the debug. So let's try that again. So it's cloudy. Yeah, so it immediately goes into into rainy. So it never seems to go into rainy. I think it has to do with weather data. Do I want to keep debugging this? Yeah, I think I might. Yeah, we add it as a raffle. Yeah, so like it seems like it's getting added here. So possibly I'm not doing it correctly. Where is this done? Set next weather. But maybe this is not doing it correctly. Sorry, I have this on the screen. So it's on begin play, we get the raffle setting. Only on begin play. So, on begin play. Let's see. Begin play. Whoops. So initialize, and then weather. Wow, raffle settings. So we clear the array. Then we get the row names. Alright, so we're looking to make sure that the weight is greater than 0. Um. So where's the table? Let's just make sure that's the case. Yes. So these are all greater than 1, greater than 0. So we're good there. And then I think we're gonna have to put a breakpoint there. See what the fuck this is doing. Play. So there's 5 in that row, which is good. So that weight is 2, minus 1. So that's cloudy. Alright, so a bunch of them fucked up. Let me see. Because, yeah, that for loop is wrong-o. For sure. So where's this raffle settings thing again? Set next one? No. Weather raffle. So this is what I'm doing wrong for sure. So we're looping through the names, and we're checking if the weather weight is greater than 0. And then for N32 index 0, and then it does not equal current weather weight dot, and then minus 1. Like that. Well, it has to be that. So yeah, whatever this raffle setting thing is, it's wrong. What? I can't tell what's wrong with this. The tricky one. Is it really just index plus plus? I'll be upset if that is the case, but I wouldn't doubt it. Let's give it a go. maybe I just got something mixed up in my head because I remember you should be doing one way or the other, and maybe I just got it backwards. Okay. So let's put mine in. I don't think I have any breakpoint. I do have a breakpoint. No more breakpoints. Let me put on the debug. Then we'll do what, hour and seconds. To 1, just so it goes by quickly. So cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny, cloudy. Continuously cloudy. Sunny, cloudy. So far that doesn't seem like that was it. Because we should be getting thunderstorm or rainy at some point. Like, it shouldn't take this long. So maybe that was part of the problem, but that wasn't the whole thing. Yeah, that's definitely probably what it is. I don't know why it feels like I fucked up that for loop like nobody's business. Let's see. Hey man, I appreciate any kind of help. Thank you so much. I'm still trying to learn. Like, I'm all about blueprints and stuff. Like, blueprints pretty easy. But yeah, C++ I'm still trying to get back into, and you know, I'm fucking up, as you can tell. So is this ours? Yes, it's ours. So cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny, cloudy. We should eventually get thunderstorms or rain. So yeah, something is just not lining up, and it's just like I don't fully even understand like what exactly the for loop is even doing, because I'm taking this blueprint from the blueprint market from the marketplace. Okay, so we got something broke. Okay, so this is also probably a dumb for loop. So maybe that's also a problem. Like, they should be set up the same way. But yeah, we got a crash. Maybe that'll just fix it. Yeah, like blueprints are pretty straightforward and kind of forgiving compared to C++. So I was really into blueprints. Well, I'm still into blueprints. I use blueprints for my job, but I'm trying to get better. Maybe this is not the way, right? Oh, fuck. Okay, so it's still wrong. What happened? Alright, so the array's out of bounds, and Visual Studio kind of just crapped itself. Why is it not letting me do anything? Allow me to end task, please. Kill it with fire, please. Okay, so like the index array stuff is out of bounds. Yeah, honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Well, the .num, I believe, is the Unreal equivalent. I believe that is how you get the size of the array within Unreal and C++ in this context. I can double check. UE4, C++, get array size. Yeah, it's num. Let me just, oh my god, not Facebook. Yeah, returns the number of elements in an array. Maybe I have to say just less than? Less than equals to the, or does it have to be -1? It's like the size of the index might be. Let's just see what happens. I'm kind of like shooting in the dark. Hey, how's it going, Night Owl? Thanks for stopping by. How you doing? Right now we're dealing with for loops and crashes, and I'm kind of dead right now. So I don't know how much longer I want to debug this tonight. We're close. Like, everything looks nice, but it's just not all the way there. Yeah. So I'm accessing an index. What's null in here? Material interpreter, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. I guess let me just remind myself the best way to write a for loop. UE4 C++. Write for loop. Because it's definitely something's not connecting in my head. I can't remember. Because I know how to do like, yeah. So for I equals 0, I is less than 10. Maybe that's all I have to do. I just want to stop it from crashing right now. Oh. But if it crashes one more time, I'll just update my tracking ticket, and I'll figure it out on Thursday. Yeah, I'm just trying to get better at C++. Like, I know blueprints fairly well. I'm just trying to learn coding and have more experience there, and I'm hoping by writing in C++ I'll get a better programmer mind that can just transfer over to blueprints. Because sometimes I make stupid mistakes in blueprints, and you know, practice makes perfect, maybe, but maybe by expanding into C++ I can get better in that regard. So let's see what happens. Is it gonna crash eventually? So far it hasn't crashed, though. As long as we're back to square one, maybe next time we can figure out why the rain and the thunder options aren't appearing. So honestly, this is a drastic speed up of the system. And as a heads up, this original stuff was a blueprint that I bought from the marketplace. I didn't want to go through the hassle of figuring this out, so I bought this blueprint, but then we just recreated it in C++, and that's what this class is. So basically, we just went line by line in the blueprints and wrote it from scratch, just copying what we needed to copy. There were some unique things that we had to do, but as you can see, we're almost there. It took us so much. We're so close. It's taken a long time, but I'm like, because what I want to do once I have this done, I want to add like a snow weather option. And then I want to be able to have callbacks for when these weathers are changing to, like, spawn certain particles. So, like, if it's raining, have it start raining, maybe update some material collection so things start looking wet and things are covered in snow, all that jazz. Yeah, I would say, like, because, like, what I'm doing for practice, because there's a couple of different things in this game that we have. Because we're using the gameplay ability system, and we prototype stuff in blueprints, and then we convert it to C++. That's how I'm learning. I do what I want to do in blueprints, and then I take that, convert it to C++. The only thing that is strictly in blueprints right now is the animation blueprint. I don't know if there is a C++ way to handle all that. So far we have our guy, we have a sprinting ability, we have attacks, you can hit the tree, it spawns an item, you can pick up the item. Like, that's really all we can do right now. And you can put your weapons away, whatever, you can defend, you have I forget what this is, an aim offset for the character, all that good stuff. But I've been obsessing over this weather system for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and we're almost at the end of the line. And now, so you can jump. Unreal Engine 4, I don't know, by default, I don't think they have particles for you, or anything that helps you make rain particles. There's stuff on the marketplace for it gives you the particles, but there's also ones that give you like a system you can use the particles in. I would just want to have the particles, because essentially what I think I would need is some sort of like global some global particle that's above my player. And like just tell it, hey, play rain now, or do this now. So let me slow down this in seconds, because I think with it changing so much, it's affecting performance a little bit. What's the Was it graph? Krishnop, do you remember the stat for the graph? Or does anybody remember the little graph that you can see with the FPS? I can't remember. Unit graph. Yeah. Okay. Everything seems okay. Obviously, this is an editor, so I don't really care too much. But we have our weather system. We just gotta figure out why rain is not happening. And I think that's what we're gonna do next time. So let me kind of mark where we need to be. So rotate sun, no. Yeah, weather raffle settings. So we got that fixed. Now, issue with making it rain thunder. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. But it's probably gonna be next time. I'm kind of exhausted right now. Yeah, I don't know why the storm isn't happening just yet. That's what we got to debug, but that's like the last thing, I believe. So we're gonna do that next time. We're gonna do that on Thursday. So I appreciate all the new people coming in, but right now, you know, this is the end of the stream. So let me just drop in some links for you guys if you want to follow me on Twitter, so you can get a heads up on when I'm streaming next. Obviously, if you aren't already following me here on Twitch, I also upload these streams to YouTube. So feel free to subscribe on YouTube. Also, check out Outriders if you aren't already. That's the game I've been working on at People Can Fly for the last few years, so please check that out if you have the ability to do so. And you can also use my code Devin-Sherry on the Epic Game Store as a content creator support code, so percentage of that goes to me to help support. And if you want, you can also subscribe to Patreon. You can get access to the source code and check that out that way, the GitHub source. So thanks everybody. Thanks to all the newcomers who decided to hang out and join. I appreciate you. We're gonna go ahead and raid my buddy Odom Keo, one of the guys I went to college with. He's a concept artist. I believe he's doing some drawing now, so if you're into that, we can hang out with him. And thanks a lot, guys. Thanks again. See you soon.